Hello, this is Travis of Travis and Kathy from the Steel Magnolia. This past weekend we had the pleasure of meeting with an amazing group of people, the Alabama Dutch Oven Society, where putting on the dog brings a whole new meaning. Dog, Dutch Oven Gathering. This month's event was held at Cheaha Mountain State Park and we arrived on Friday. But before we arrived, our travels took us through a little small community that's just a few miles away from Cheaha called Shinbone Valley. Strange thing is, we actually have a friend that lives in Shinbone Valley, and he lives on Ketchemy Doggy Road. Kind of unique if you stop and think about it. We enjoyed a few of the sights, and then we were back on the road, and we quickly arrived at Cheaha State Park, the highest point in the state of Alabama. This park was built in 1933 by the CCC and has been well maintained ever since. On Friday evening, the Alabama Dutch Oven Society put on a very nice cookout for all the members in attendance. There was steak, ribs, chicken, side dishes, salad, desserts. It was absolutely wonderful, and I'm here to tell you the steaks were amazing, and I ate just a little bit too much. But I enjoyed every mouthful, and the 3 or 4 pieces that were left we enjoyed for breakfast the next morning. The next morning is when everything really kicks off for the beginning of the Dutch Oven Gathering. So people start getting together and setting up their equipment, but around 11 o'clock things get real busy and the cooking begins. Please join with us now as we take a look at the pictures of the day from the Dutch Oven Gathering. Kathy and I had a wonderful time. Along with our friends that joined us, Mike and Penny, we cooked side by side as we prepared our dishes for the day. We had a lot of fun doing that. We also learned a lot. We also learned that maybe our taste in spicy food was a little spicier than what most people like. But our sight was simple, but it was effective, and we were able to put our food on the table in a timely manner. Once everything was set up and ready to go, the dog president, Steve Bowden, welcomed everyone, and then together we all paid respect to our country and our flag with the Pledge of Allegiance. I was honored and humbled to have been asked to say the blessing, and once that was done, we got on with the eating. It was a sight to behold. Good morning, Travis and Kathy at Cheehaw.
Oh, hi.
Good morning, dear.
Hey.
And behind us, we've got Mike and Penny. Woo-hoo! Heading out to Bald Rock. Not that bald, the other one. The four of us had an amazing time at the Alabama Dog Dutch Oven Gathering. And on behalf of Mike and Penny and my lovely wife Kathy, we did want to say thank you to everyone for making us feel welcome and being part of the family. We enjoyed our time there, and we'll be looking forward to the next opportunity so that we can once again sit down with special people and enjoy some special food cooked a very special way, Dutch oven style.